In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options of Microsoft and Emoji keypads. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on System and Updates, Language and Input, and finally your default keypad. Mine is Microsoft, so let's start with it. After clicking on it here, select Typing and enjoy managing all of those options thanks to all of those switchers. Personally, I would recommend to at least try some of them because they make typing much faster. Either way, when you finished, just go back and all of your changes will be saved. If you are using Emoji keyboard, I just need to switch mine real quick. You need to tap on Settings at the bottom right corner and then select Input section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!